Let's talk about the benefits of downsizing. In the journey of homeownership, bigger isn't always better. Let's explore the benefits of downsizing to a smaller property. First and foremost, there is substantial cost savings. A smaller home often means a lower mortgage, reduced utility bills, and less maintenance overall. Over time, these savings can significantly impact your finances. Then there's the simplicity of it all. Less space means fewer things to manage. This can be a gateway to a more minimalistic lifestyle, allowing you to focus on experiences rather than possessions. Efficiency is another one. Smaller spaces often are designed to maximize every square inch. This can lead to innovative storage solutions and multifunctional rooms. Downsizing can also prompt a significance in decluttering. It often is an opportunity to evaluate the things that we keep and if they're essential, cherished items, or if it's time to let them go. And then there's environmentally speaking. Smaller homes often have a reduced carbon footprint, less space to heat or cool, and fewer materials used in construction to make for a great, greener living choice. Location can be a game changer. Sometimes downsizing allows you to live in a more desirable area closer to urban centers or amenities that might have been unaffordable with a larger property. And let's not forget the emotional benefits. With less to worry about, many downsizers report an increase in happiness, less stress, and more time for hobbies, travel, or simply enjoying life. In a world that often equates bigger with better, downsizing challenges the norm. It's not just about smaller spaces, it's about a bigger life. If you are curious about what downsizing might look like for you, reach out to us today. The idea does not have to be as daunting as you may think, and we have resources to help you manage the move.